Good day friends! Ito na naman ako. Mag-unpack ng binibili ko na sigurado ako sa Argentina to friends. Alam niyo ba friends kung bakit binibili ko ito? Serpentina capsule. Ang Serpentina capsule kasi friends, open made from Andrographis paniculata, king of bitters, ha, are used as natural herbal remedy to manage blood sugar levels in diabetics, lower high blood pressure, and boost immune response against colds, flu, and infections. It acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory aid. Ito ang niya, friends, pinaka-function niya. Key health benefits of Serpentina capsules. Diabetes management, widely known for lowering blood sugar levels. Hypertension control, used in traditional and Ayurvedic practices to treat high blood pressure. Immune system support, known for its antibacterial properties, helping to fight colds, coughs, and flu. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, help reduce inflammation. Liver and digestive health, used to support liver function and alleviate diarrhea. Usage and safety information. Dosage taken as 1 capsule 1 times a day for maintenance, or up to 3 capsules 3 times a day. For specific health concerns, ideally 30 minutes after meals. Warning, not for pregnant women, friends, as it can cause miscarriage. Alam niyo ba, friends, kung bakit pinipili ko rin to? Ito ay ano yung pampagana. Papagana rin to sa sex, aphrodisiac din to. At ito ay mabibili nyo sa Yellow Basket, or pag i-click nyo ang link, bili na kayo ng Serpentina capsule.